Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ford County, Iroquois County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Cullum to near Buckley to near Gifford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watsika, Paxton, Gilman, Clifton, Milford, Onarga, Sheldon, Cessna Park, Piper City, Ashcombe, Buckley, Martinton, Stockland, Crescent City, Danforth, Loda, Beaverville, Woodland, Donovan, Wellington, Fauville, Papineau, Iroquois, Clarence, and Claytonville.